Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to hide or change drive letter position of all drives all at once in any Windows computer. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the File Explorer. So right now you can see I have different drives having a different drive letter. So this is our default drive letter position. So right now it's showing. So you can see. So in order to hide or change the drive letter position of all these drives all at once, what you need to do is just open any web browser. And in the Google search for one application named as Drive Letters Tool by SKware Ampere. And the first list will see its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this download option. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. You just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see the first file is the application. Just double click on it. So now you can see this kind of user interface, right? So on the left side, you will see here, it's clearly mentioning. So all drives letters after the drive name. So this is the default one. And next to it is so all drive letters before the drive name. So you can change the drive letter position. So we're gonna try this first now. So just click on this apply. Now we'll see here it's saying to log off and log back to see your changes, or you can just reboot your computer instead. So here we're not gonna log off or reboot or restart. So for this, what you need to do is on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open the Task Manager. And now just select this Windows Explorer and click on this Restart Task. And now let us reopen the File Explorer. Voila, now you can see here we have changed the drive letter positions. So earlier it was on the right side. Now you can see it's showing in the left side as well as on the other drive also. So now if you want to hide this respective drive letters all at once, what you need to do, just reopen the same application. And now the last option here, you can see here it's mentioned no drive letters. Just click on apply. Click on OK. Now you can minimize it again. So once again, just press Ctrl Shift Escape on your computer keyboard. And just select the Windows Explorer and click on this Restart Task. Now you can close it. Now let us reopen the File Explorer again. Now you can see here the drive letters for all the drives has been hidden. So if you want to restore it back to the default one, then once again just reopen the application and just select the first one and click on apply. Click on OK. Now you can close this application and once again press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the Task Manager again and just select the Windows Explorer again and click on Restart Task. Now you can close it. Now let us reopen the File Explorer again. Now you can see it is restored back to the default one. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide or change drive letter positions of all drives all at once in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.